So a non-U.S. bank that wants to establish a physical presence, like we said, branch, agency, subsidiary, et cetera, there's several different regulators involved. Anybody who's familiar with the U.S. bank regulatory system knows, or this financial services regulatory industry in general in the U.S., everybody knows it's sort of there's many different regulators, and sometimes each business has their own regulator, and sometimes more than one. And this could be an example. So the Federal Reserve Board is basically the one that's the gatekeeper. You don't get in without the Federal Reserve allowing you. Again, you need a license, and then you need a license. The Federal Reserve does not license branches, agencies. You get a license from a state banking regulator or the Department of the Treasury, Office of the Comptroller of the Currency. And for nomenclature here, license is actually when you talk about the direct office of the bank, the branch, the agency, the rep office. If you're talking about charters, you're talking about a bank subsidiary. If you want to get a bank presence here, then you have to have a charter for a bank subsidiary from either from a state or the federal banking activity regulator. And again, some non-banking activities might need separate licenses. Broker-dealers need obviously licenses. Money transmitters need licenses. So it depends. You'd have to sort of go through the you have to parse out what's your business plan, and then looking at that, once you have the business plan, sort of what regulators do you need, what permissions do you need.